my project that I'm working on today, marking knife. I could buy one. I mean, they make them pretty cheap in China. I mean, I could get one for, I don't know, 20 bucks. Well, I've had this forge since 1998, but she is dead. Might be fixable. We're going straight stock removal.